you have a formula and you need to explain it to someone else, especially in virtual environment, then it becomes very difficult for the end user to see what's written in formula bar. In this video, I am going to share you two useful formula presentation tips in Excel which will help you to explain the formula written in Excel very effectively and easily. I have a file on my screen which has few formulas, and if I have to explain any of these formulas to you, then I will go to a cell where I have formula and press F2 to bring this cell in edit mode. Now here I can click inside this formula and highlight input values provided for each of these arguments. Tip number 1, where I am going to show you how to extract the list of arguments for any Excel function. Let's take VLOOKUP function, and you want to see the list of arguments in VLOOKUP, then you need to type is equal to VLOOKUP and open the VLOOKUP function with open bracket and press Ctrl Shift A key. We will hold Ctrl Shift A and boom, it will give you the list of arguments in VLOOKUP function. Now you need to go to the start of this VLOOKUP function, convert this function into text. Now you can see the function VLOOKUP and its list of arguments, and using this you can easily explain this formula to anyone. Now tip number 2 is, if I go to this cell where I have formula and press F2 to bring this in edit mode, and you can see the formula written in formula bar is not clearly visible to you, and you will not be clearly see what's written in the formula bar. Now I will go to font size of this cell and let's increase the font size for the cell. Font size of the formula bar is not changing. If I increase the zoom level, that also not affecting the font size of the formula bar. To increase the font size of the formula bar, we need to go to File and click on Option. Or you can also use shortcut key Alt-T-O to open Excel options. Here under General section, we are going to set the default font size for the new Excel workbook. So we will go to When creating a new workbook section, and here we will set font size. So let's select 24 instead of 11 and click on OK, but this setting will not be applicable to the current Excel instance opened on my screen. Now this will ask you to restart the Excel open on your screen to make this setting effective. So let's go and close this Excel file. Let's open this file again. Now here I can see the font size of the cell is not changed, but the font size of the formula bar is changed. It is set to default font size what we had set in the previous step. It has also increased the font size of the name box. Font size of the cells is written as it is, but the font size of the formula bar is increased and it is clearly visible to you now. Now there is one more thing that you need to take care that once you are done with your formula presentation, you need to reset this default font size, because when next time you use or next time you create new file, let's type Ctrl N to open new workbook, and you can see the default font size is applied to cells as well. That's why we need to make sure that once we are done with the formula presentation, we set the default font size to previous font size. So this is very cool and useful trick for the formula presentation. Hope that will help you in many ways to present your formula to larger audience in virtual environment. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.